Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to import database in Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, we need to log into Hostinger. Now, once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to hPanel. At the top of the interface, you'll see a menu bar. Click on Websites. This will take you to a page showing all the websites under your management. Select the site for which you wish to import a database by clicking on its dashboard link. Next, scroll down until you find the Databases section. Here, you'll see an option to open phpMyAdmin, a powerful tool for managing your MySQL databases. Click on phpMyAdmin, and then you'll see an Enter phpMyAdmin button next to your database. Click it, and you'll be taken into the phpMyAdmin interface, which is the main platform we'll use for importing your database. Within phpMyAdmin, now look for the Import tab at the top. Click on it, and it will bring you to the importing options. Here, you'll see a button labeled Choose File. Click this to open a file selection dialog where you can navigate to and select your SQL or zip database file from your computer. Importantly, you won't need to adjust any of the settings here. The default settings are configured to handle most common scenarios right out of the box. So just scroll down and click Import at the bottom right. This will start the import process. After a brief moment, you should see a success message appearing on your screen. This message confirms that your database has been uploaded successfully. To double-check, take a look at the left sidebar in phpMyAdmin. You should see all of your imported tables appear there, indicating everything is in the right place. And that's it. So that is how you can import database in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.